Hey everyone, it's Chintu the Legend. You might remember this channel previously as Soft Heart Animal, but I recently rebranded to Chintu the Legend. So many of you have been asking how you make these viral videos, what website or AI do you use, what your PC specs, and why did you stop uploading. In this video, I am answering all the questions and giving you a breakdown how to create animation like this. This is part 1, so if you want part 2, then let me know in the comment. First of all, this is not AI generated, everything is built 100% from scratch in the free open source software Blender. Currently, I am using Blender 5.2. Creating the concept is not overly difficult, but making the physics simulation and rendering them in cycles take hours. Heavy physics scenes can take anywhere 6 hours to 12 hours just to break render. Render time also heavily depend on your PC hardware. Also, my PC specifications are CPU Intel Core i7 14700K, GPU 3070 Ti, RAM 32GB DDR5, storage 1TB NVMe. I have uploaded many types of shot across different styles like calling object, rolling, cubes, infinity zoom, and loops, cube rolling animation, cube monster eating object, and more. In this video, I would not go deep on setting, but I will give you a brief overlay of my workflow. Now let's download Blender from official website. I have already installed Blender 5.2, so I am not downloading again. First, open Blender and delete default object. Enable the extra object add-on in Blender Preference. Press Shift A, Mesh, Extra, select Honeycomb. In the pop-up operator panel at the bottom left, adjust the row and columns. Change the value from 2 to 50 or 100. Click the viewport to confirm. Then reselect the honeycomb mesh. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Then press E for extrude. Then press double Z to lock the Z axis and move your mouse upward to extrude. Adjust the height as your wish. Then press Shift A, then press Shift plus A and add your object like sphere, candy, duck, cube or cone. Currently I am adding UV sphere. Scale it down so it fits within the honeycomb holes. Add array modifier X, Y and Z axis to duplicate the object into a grid arrangement. Once apply all three array modifier. Then select the mesh and press Tab to edit. Press A for selecting everything. Then press E, click by loose part. Press Tab for object mode. Select the sphere object. Right click, origin to geometry. After the adjust height, put everything in a folder by pressing M. Now add physics simulation as I am doing here. After the baking the animation into keyframe, adjust your camera angle. If you don't understand, I will make a short video again. While recording this video, my OBS start lagging. I am sorry for that. Anyway, set up proper lighting. Add color to the grid and balls. You can quickly randomize the color using two shader nodes as I am showing here. Add any number of colors as you want. Finalize the camera framing. You can copy first frame and paste it in last keyframe. Adjust your render settings, select an output folder and hit render. Once the render is complete, open Premiere Pro, right-click inside the project panel, hit import and native your render folder. Select only the first frame of your animation, and most importantly, make sure to check image sequence before clicking open. Next change is frame rate. Right-click the clip, go to the modify, interpret as, and switch it from the default frame rate to 60 or enter 60 in frame rate box. After that, add your sound effect. I am using sound design from one of my oldest video. Do a quick color grade and export. Here is the final result. Which tutorial do you want to see next? The monster cube eating animation showing on screen. Cube rolling with advanced lighting setup. An infinity loop, manual keyframing and geometry nodes. Behind the scene breakdown, how I create Chintu and Sinky comedy videos. Let me know your pick in the comments. See you in the next video.